Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locating the index file in your project root index, JS or index, HTML, and opening it now. Make a quick backup so you can revert, then confirm dependencies are installed. This avoids runtime errors. Once done, scan the top of the file for imports, links, and comments to understand structure. You'll act on those first lines, so mark entry points and note which modules or assets the file expects before making edits. Now you edit the entry points and internal structure. Adjust import or script paths to match your folders, because broken paths are the most common issue. Make sure the root element ID and mount call match your HTML, otherwise your app won't render. If you use routing or component exports, refactor names consistently across files. As you change pieces, save and run a quick local build or reload to catch errors early. Then iterate until the main view appears. Finish by running the project locally and verifying the index file loads without console or network errors. You should test navigation, assets, and any initial API calls. Once satisfied, commit your changes with a clear message and reference to the backup copy. If something goes wrong, stop and revert to the backup, then compare diffs to isolate the problematic change. A key troubleshooting tip: inspect the browser console first. It usually shows the missing module or path that broke the load.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.